What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Maya J. Oh, I need to sneeze. I just showered, so that's why I look like a wet puppy. But I am back with another video. In today's video, well, it's special because today is my birthday. Right now it's about to be 12 o'clock, so it's almost not my birthday anymore. But this weekend or tomorrow, me and my boyfriend are gonna go to the casino. So I want to do my hair really nice and cute and straight, and I have not straightened my hair since I cut it all the way off when it was like this small. I think I have a video of my hair like that, but it's grown so much, so I think it's ready to be done. So this is gonna be me attempting a silk press. I got a few new products, so we're gonna see how those hold up. But yeah, we're gonna jump right into it. So first thing, this is the new product that I found. I read like a lot of reviews about it. It said extreme play safe $4.50, so I guess that's a temp you can go up to. It's like a heat protectant, but it's like a cream type of thing. So I'm gonna put like a little bit of that, maybe like 2 pumps. I don't know what it really smelled like. No, I'm put some more because I feel like that wasn't enough on my hair. Okay, just a little bit. I'm also going to be using one of the products that I always use when I straighten my hair, which is the Chi Hair Silk Infusion. That one, that was a product that worked really good for my hair. That like gave it, you know, it got it pretty straight, but I just need something extra because my hair gets so frizzy like when it's humid and stuff. So hopefully these 2 products help. So put that on. So the next product that I got, and by the way, I got these at Ulta, was this product, they, a lot of videos I've seen and stuff, they would use their products, so like shampoos and stuff, but I just needed like a heat protecting cream. Like, I really don't care what type of shampoo I use. The one that I use is fine. I've been using it, and conditioner. But yeah, this says blow dry spray, Kenra, whatever, I don't know what this is. So this is what it looks like. Okay, and this one is like a spray. So it's blow drying spray, but I think I'm gonna spray it right now a little bit, and then probably when my hair is all blown out. So it don't have a bad smell either. It actually smells pretty good. I don't know what I would compare it to, but so now that that's in my hair, I'm gonna section it a little bit. My hair is not super thick, but once I blow it out, it looks that way. So I'm going to section it like half. And to blow it out, I'm gonna use my blow drying brush, I think it's Revlon. A Revlon blow drying brush. I'll leave this much out. Yeah, so this is it. This gets my hair pretty straight. It just gives it like volume also. So we're just trying to have it straight, so we're gonna use this and then we'll go in with the straightener. So I'm just gonna blow this out. Let me go get that Chi Hair Silk Infusion as well, because I don't know where it's at. It was right here. So been having this for a while, I'm not gonna lie. I probably should check the expiration date because I don't even remember, but I bought this at Marshall's. You can get everything at Marshall's for cheaper. I'm sorry I keep touching my ear, but it feels like there's water in there. This bottle has lasted me so long. If you buy this at the store, you're gonna pay like 30 something, or I don't know, you're gonna pay a lot. But it's like, it looks oily, but it doesn't leave your hair oily. So I'm just gonna put a little bit. So that actually put too much, so I'm gonna put some on the top. And that stuff makes your hair feel good. So yeah, I'm just gonna blow out this back piece and then I'll show you guys. So I already, look at how, this is what I mean now. This is how that product works. The Revlon blow dryer brush, like I can just use this, but it's every time I use it, it starts curling my hair. So, but yeah, I think it's gonna turn out good because it's already pretty nice. You can see, stay cool. But yeah, so I'm gonna section off a part up here and just continue. All right, so the back is already done. Mind you, we're just trying to get it dry, okay? And I'm about to do this front section, and then I think it's just this half. But I might do this into two sections.
Each other look around, find one to see my type. Damn, my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet a girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife, but I do know one thing.
Y'all, this is how my hair looks after it's grown out. I mean, it straightens it out pretty well. I really rushed it because it's nighttime and I'm ready to lay down already. So now I'm gonna plug in my straightener and we're gonna jump right into it. And hopefully this comes out slick slack. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I think this little combo that I did might be the one because it's slipping. I might have to put it. Yeah, let me scoot back. Because that first little piece I did, my hair looks so good. Ooh. I'm gonna show y'all. Like, do y'all see that? It's giving bone straight. Hold on. Because I don't think y'all see what I'm seeing. It's giving bone straight. It's giving. You know what I mean? Yeah. It looks fantastic. So I haven't put on any other product other than, let me put this, other than what I used while I was blowing it out, like, which is this and that the blue product. But if anything, I might spread some of this on some of the pieces if I feel like I need to go back over it, because I think that's what really, that and the other product, I think that's what really got my hair like looking right. And I did one pass, but I think this time I need one more. Just for. In my straightener I have on $3.90, and this is a Babyliss. I bought this a while back because I whenever I used to try to straighten my hair, it would never come out good enough, and I'm like, I think I need a straightener that has a higher heat. So I went to, I think it was Ulta. I don't know why I went there, but I went to Ulta, and the girl's like, yeah, this is so good. So I'm like, okay. Which I wish they had the smaller one, like not so wide, but I mean, this goes to $4.52, but I ain't doing that. I ain't doing it that high. Just gonna do $3.90, and because honestly, look at how good that is. That's one pass. Y'all seen that? One pass, shorty. And to think, I was trying to go get it still pressed. Hold on, because I don't think y'all understand. Look at how, and my hair gets straight, but it don't get this straight. I'm in utter shock. I'm gonna show y'all once I get like more of it done, because in a minute, half of my hair is done. This is the best my hair has ever came out. Like, that's why I can't stop touching it. I cannot, like, it's really laid down. I'm gonna wrap it tonight, and it's really gonna look good tomorrow. But let me finish this little front piece. But I'm just really in shock, y'all. The products, at first when I bought them, I thought they were expensive. I mean, they were expensive compared to like other stuff that I bought, like this. Like, I think this and the other thing each were like $28. Like, that's more than some curly hair products. But it does work very well, and just think you can use this multiple times. So I would highly, highly, highly recommend to get these products. Like, seriously, I have not put on any extra product other than what I put on when I was blowing my hair out. So we're just gonna continue with this process. I'm just sectioning it off with my hands. And just going from there. So y'all, this is the finished look. This is actually the next day because I was so tired. Now I'm knocked out, but wow, look at how silky the hair is. It looks so good. I wrapped my hair last night, so it does have a little bit of a bow right there, but I don't mind because the rest of the hair looks really good. So I definitely am going to link all of the products that I use because they were amazing. I should look for my hair like that. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, I'll link all the products. I highly recommend that you do this if you have curly hair because it's been so long since I found products to actually get my hair like nice, because that's why I don't straighten my hair. So I'll link all the products, link the prices where you can get them, which I got them from Ulta. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, just leave them down in the description box or whatever. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.